I received this 100 pack of vacuum sealer bags from Nutri-Lock, and I absolutely love them. They measure 11 by 16 inches, and you can also cut them down too. And this is perfect for sous vide or for putting food in the refrigerator, freezer, or even in your pantry too. It keeps the food fresher longer, and I absolutely love it. And today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the vacuum sealer bags. And here's a close-up of what it looks like. As you can see, it is see-through, so you'll be able to see what food you have in there. And all three sides have already been sealed. And this is the only opening here at the top. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is cut these in half because I don't need it the full size. However, if you need it the full size, it's great too for steak and chicken and so much more. But in this case, we're going to do half the size because I'm going to be saving some ground beef patties. So I'm going to cut them in half, and your machine may already have a cutter, or you can also just use scissors as well. Now that we've cut the vacuum sealer bags in half, there's going to be a sealed side, and then there's going to be the other side where it is open on the top as well as the bottom. So what we're going to do is seal that right now. And there it goes. And now we're going to repeat the steps for the other two bags. Now that we're finished sealing up the bags, we're going to be putting the ground beef inside and then vacuum sealing it. When certain meats go on sale, I like to bulk up and buy the big pack. And in this case, it's 5 pounds of ground beef. So I'm not going to need to use that all in 1 week. So what I'm going to do is cut it up into 1 pound increments approximately and save it for later use in my freezer. So let's open it up. Now that we have the bags all sealed up in all 3 corners, I'm going to be putting the ground beef inside each of these bags. This is so simple to do, and it's also very cost effective as well. And we have 1 extra bag, and that I'm going to just use at a later date. Now, some of them, I was just eyeballing it. So it might be a little bit bigger. So for ground beef, all I'm going to do is push it down like this so it forms inside the bag, because we want a little bit of a lip so we can put it inside the machine. And now we are ready to start vacuum sealing. What we're going to do is open up your vacuum sealer unit and put where this opening is into the vacuum sealer chamber. Then this outside ridge is where the heating element is to seal the bag. So I'm going to put it in there just like this. Close it up. Make sure it's locked into place. And then I'm going to be picking that I want it vacuum sealed, not just the seal like we did earlier. And look at it go. Perfect. So now it is all sealed and ready to put in our freezer. Now I'm going to do the next ones. This works so fast. I absolutely love it. Last one. All done. And now let me show you how well this works. Look at how it vacuum sealed it. So perfect. And this is going to keep your meat fresher in the freezer longer. Also refrigerator too. So we absolutely love these bags as well as our vacuum sealer. And it really comes in handy from meats as well as vegetables and fruits too. So I also like to do this with cheese because sometimes we buy a big block of cheese and we don't finish it all the way so quickly. So what I do is I put it in the vacuum sealer bag. I also do that for avocados. I absolutely love to do that. Put it in the freezer, and then, later on we can make guacamole with it. Because when we get avocados, sometimes they all ripen up just like that, and we just don't have time to get to them all. So hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.